Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to translate some Sepedi words to English. Sepedi is a Bantu language of Southern Africa, the main member of the North Sotho group and one of the official languages of South Africa. I'm going to start with teaching you how to greet in Sepedi. Dumelang. Dumelang means good day. If someone says Dumelang, you should respond with Lekai. You should respond with Lekai, which means how are you? Have you got it yet? Okay, I proceed. Ashe. Ashe means hi. You should respond with Ashe lena lekai. Ashe lekai means hi. How are you? Thobela. Thobela means hello. You should respond with Thobela lena lekai. Thobela lena lekai means hello. How are you? Have you got it yet? Let me proceed. Topic 2. Now we are on topic 2. How to introduce yourself in Sepedi. Lina laka ke John. Lina laka ke John means my name is John. Sefane saka ke Peterson, which means my surname is Peterson. Ke dula Limpopo, which means I stay in Limpopo. B. When asking someone his info, Lina la gago ke mang? What's your name? Lina la gago ke mang means what's your name? Sefane sa gago ke mang, which means what's your surname? Udula kae? Where do you stay? That's what it means. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you very much.